I cannot believe this right now. This is insane. If you guys remember, months back ago, I created a meme coin ETF, which was around $10,000. And this meme coin ETF had 40% Dogecoin, 30% Shiba, and the rest were all divided by other meme coins. And in today's update, you will not believe how much this ETF is worth. Like I said, the $10,000 is not real, which I wish it was right now. And I did not add one single dollar extra or change any other thing regarding this ETF. And last time I brought you guys an update, it went down from $10,000 to $7,000, and then it went back to $10,800. Well, guess how much it is right now? That's right, $20,000. And like I said, I did not change anything. This started with $10,000 and it's worth $20,000 right now. Now let's take a look here at the details for this ETF, and I'll share why it's worth $20,000 from $10,000 from the last couple months. And we can see right here, the biggest player was Bonk, literally going bonkers the last couple of weeks and months. We're up $7,000 here with Bonk on this ETF, which in the beginning, Bonk was only around 5 to 10% of this ETF. The next biggest gainer is Dogecoin, which gave us $1,540. Then Shiba Inu, $608. Pepe, $814. But we can see the biggest player was Bonk. And man, how I wish this was a real portfolio, because I would have been so hyped right now. Put your guesstimates in the comments below. What do you guys think this will be in the peak bull market?